We're going to use an easy and quick way to be able to recover our device when we change these screen locks. But after a while we either remember or we've forgotten. If that's your case, don't worry, because I'm going to explain one of the ways, easier and faster, to recover what this process is. What are we going to do here? Let's click on it. Let's enable airplane mode. Then we're going to click here on this little nut. Let's lower it again. We'll tighten the nut here. Then, what we're going to do is press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button simultaneously, and what we're going to cause is a restart. We're going to force a restart. Then, when it shows you the phone's logo, you'll wait for it to display the logo. When that logo appears, we're going to press the power button. Sometimes this happens with these Motorola phones, so you press. When the logo appears, press the power button. Volume down button, you press the volume down button. You're going to hold it until the phone takes you to. You're going to hold onto it until it takes us to what is the beginning. We hold down the volume button, and when it takes us to the start screen, we will do the following. Don't let go of the volume down button. Hold the volume down button, hold it. Then that it takes us to the start. Then we will be doing what this completion is, we maintain. Let's hold it here, it's already taken us to the beginning. Okay, as you can see here, we turned off the screen. We turn it on again. Let's wait, let's lower the notifications. We'll click here on the little gear icon. Once we're here at the little gear icon, we'll look for the applications option. Then we click here where all the applications are. Here we go. Search for the screen blocker. We're going to find the screen lock and disable it. What are we going to do now that we've already done it? Let's restart the phone. We can turn it off here. And turn it on, and now what we do is restart it. We restart it, and that's all.